All right, it's Thursday, February 29th. It's about 8 minutes after the open here. You can see price started up and hit target number one. So that's step number one in the process. I kind of sold some of my position. I had the 504 calls. I sold those at 519 when it hit that target. And now it's kind of, getting a little bit of a pause there, which is kind of expected. The 15-minute bar, which still has, 7 minutes to go. We're going to see where that kind of closes here. And this is, interesting. Are we going to kind of hold in here and continue higher to the next target? Or are we going to maybe pull back a little bit and have to do a red to green move? Or are we going to pull back and start maybe a downward, move on the morning. So we'll find out. But for now, the market seems to have wanted to continue higher as an immediate reaction to target number one. Hopefully structure will unfold in such a way, whether it pauses in here and continues higher to the next target, or if we even get a little bit of a pullback into this gap, look for a red to green kind of move to then test that high again and go to that high. So those are kind of the expectations here as we watch the open. I still want to see if that 15-minute chart, how it closes here. Kind of watching 1 minute price action just to sense kind of what's happening when it hits its various targets along the way. But if all goes well, hopefully by the end of the day, at some point we get to this target up here, and we'll just have to watch 15-minute structure unfold. But what would be nice would be to see this hold green and follow through on bar two and start a directional move right out of the gates up there, and maybe one pause, two pushes up to that target. So we will see what unfolds, but it did hit an inflection point here, so keep that in mind on the daily chart. The inside bar, kind of work towards this broad into this target. So at this point, anything's possible in terms of how it might want to react to that. But as long as we hold above the midpoint of this day, I'm still going to be biased towards, even if we come lower, some green bars to, test those intraday highs again and work towards that target in the big picture. So let's see how this 15-minute bar closes and kind of go from there.